Happy Wednesday. Buenos días a la escuela más chévere.
Donde los leones de Osborne rugen con
Respeto y con orgullo.
My name is Cooper and I'm the class representative.
My name is Jordan and I'm your school president. And when we roar through our actions.
A reminder that when we are out on the playground, blacktop, or field, that we all need to be kind and safe.
Focus on treating each other with respect and using our toolbox skills to solve problems.
Focus on playing the right way and just having fun.
Remember, our actions have consequences. Positive actions lead to positive results.
Si se puede, Osborne.
Now is the time for the Year to Matter raffle.
Be here all day, every day for a chance to win. Thank you.
From first grade in Senora Carvajal's class, Anthony Herrera Magana. Anthony Herrera Magana.
Amen.
From fourth grade, Senora Ramos's class, Quetzali Nevares. Quetzali Nevares.
And then the third one. TK and Senora Mercado's class. Peterson, Josie Peterson. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong.
Since it's Wednesday, it's time for the Roar Raffle. Josué, Senora Bradley.
Alex Herrera and Senora Mejia's class for being responsible. Felicidades a los ganadores.
Next up, we have our counselor, Miss Cortez, with the toolbox reminder.
Take it away, Miss Cortez.
Hi, Osborne Lions. This is Angelica, your school counselor. This week, we're going to be talking about our Taking Time tool. Our Taking Time tool says, I take time in and time away. I take time in and time away. And this tool is very important, just like the rest of our tools. This tool helps us with reflection, and it helps us to think about our actions before we do them, and it helps us to think about our words before we say them. And so a quote that will help us with our Taking Time tool is this one here. And again, our Taking Time tool is to help us reflect and to help us think before we say or we do something. So this says, reflect on your thoughts, for they become words. Reflect on your words, for they become actions. Reflect on your actions, for they become habits. Reflect on your habits, for they become character. And reflect on your character, for it becomes your destiny. So it is very important to use our Taking Time tool, especially if we're feeling mad, sad, upset, angry, frustrated. If we're having a very strong emotion, it's important to take a step back, take a deep breath, use your Taking Time tool, and really think about what it is that's going on, how you're going to react to it, and if you need to seek an adult or someone to help you with the situation, how you're going to do that. So it's important to use all of our tools, and remember to use your Taking Time tool. Thank you.